All right, so just give me 1 minute here and I'll restate the problem, and then I'm going to tell you about how we fixed this problem. The problem that iOS created for our industry is the problem of getting the data back to the platform, of knowing the iOS users that are visiting your sales page and not converting, that are clicking and adding to cart and not converting, that are going to the order form and not converting. Conversion API fixed getting the buyers back into Facebook, but it didn't fix getting all of that data back into Facebook and Google of like the iOS or the people that had privacy settings set to not share, getting all of that data back into the platforms, right? Until now. We solved that problem. I'll break it down super simple for you, and then I'm going to encourage you to jump on a call to learn more. But basically the way that we solve the problem in non-techie language is we take all of the data that we can get from those iOS users that visit your website, like IP address, like location, small fractional data, and I went out and I partnered with the largest privately held customer database in the United States. This is the same database that companies like ZoomInfo and Equifax and Experian pull from. These databases are full of really robust customer buyer profiles, everything about them, what their phone number is, what their email address is, what their physical address is, like all this data. So we pass this fractional data that we get by placing our pixel on your page. We get that fractional data of those iOS users and we push it into that database. We say, hey, who does this belong to? It gives us a match, and we take that matched data profile and we push that seamlessly back into Facebook and Google. When we do that, we're giving all of those signals back to the traffic platform, and we're dramatically increasing the amount of data going back to the machine, going back to the machine learning platform that needs data to learn, right? So we are hyper training the pixel with all this data that it's been starved of since iOS happened. And when we do that, what we see is reduced costs in traffic and ultimately bigger success for our brands. We can scale up. You guys know 20-30% reduction in CPM might be the difference. It's not just a difference in you scaling 20-30% more. That might be the difference between you being stuck where you're at now and going to 7 figures a month profitably in ad spend, or even 8 figures maybe a month in ad spend, right? The machine needs more data, and we've built a solution that gives the machine more data. It's pretty simple to install. We have you throw the code on your page, and we go to work modeling that data in the back end and giving it to you. If you want to learn more about how we do it, what it costs and all of that, I would encourage you guys to book a call right now. Myself or one of my team members will get on and run through it with you. That's it. Thanks, guys.